How I built my AI-powered content workflow in just 2 weeks. In this video, I'll show you how I launched bite-sized bots and built a repeatable content system using AI. I started with the basics, domain and email setup using Namecheap and Zoho. Then I created a visual identity using Canva and built a brand voice guide with ChatGPT. Beehiiv took a little time to integrate, but it became my base for publishing. I use Tella to do desktop screen recording. It's super easy and works right in your browser. For my design and editing, I used Canva Pro. It's not just for social posts. Canva actually makes it easy to build out full video sequences with transitions, audio, and animations. I created all my graphics here, added motion and transitions to keep things visually interesting. Then came the voiceover. I used ElevenLabs for that. It took a few tweaks to get the tone and pacing just right, but once I found a voice style I liked, it clicked. You just drop in your script, choose a voice, and hit generate. To bring it all together, here's the full stack I rely on. That first newsletter and video post gave me a sense of accomplishment and the confidence that I could do this. In week 2, I focused on building a repeatable system to keep my content flowing each week. I mapped it all out in Trello with a big assist from ChatGPT and Claude to help design the setup. Now, my week runs on a rhythm. I research on Sunday and publish by Friday. Here is my team of personal assistants. I use ChatGPT for scripting, Claude for planning, and Perplexity for deeper research. And I have all 3 apps on my iPhone so that I can tap into my assistants anywhere, anytime. The biggest lesson? Let go of perfection. Publish, learn, and improve. Once I got into a rhythm, the whole process started to feel natural. If this behind-the-scenes peek was helpful, you'll love the newsletter. Each week, I share tips and tools to help you use AI without drowning in complexity. Talk soon!